right, welcome on how to create a Facebook group. So you're going to want to type in facebook.com/group/, and it will take you to this area right here where it says create group. And you're going to go ahead and fill out the same instructions that it had you do when you created a profile or a Facebook page. And again, you're just going to answer a few information about the name and the description and a graphic about your logo or any picture that you want for the background cover. And then you just hit create. So the benefit of a group is that you can get more one-on-one interaction, and you can go ahead and promote in that group. It would be an organic promotion, meaning you wouldn't have to pay for an ad. You would just go ahead and promote whatever you're trying to sell as a regular post. So as I've done here, I'm selling my social media content calendar in my group to lady realtors, and I'm giving them the outline of what it's about. And I have a clear description here, which is also on my sales funnel. And then I'm even talking a little bit more about how they can sign up, saying that I'll be doing a webinar. And then I even included a cool GIF to go with it so that they would have, so that has some type of automation and look funner than just words on a post. So that is the benefit of the group. As I mentioned earlier, you cannot do a little profile picture here. So you want to be able to talk about on your cover photo what the group is about, and then have a picture of you on the side because you are the head person of your group. And in your group, you can divide it up into units if you're selling individual products. Like if you're selling makeup, you can say 1 unit for lipstick, 1 unit for blush, 1 unit for eyeshadow. If you're selling crafts, you can break it up into different categories of crafts as well. And here I'm breaking mine up into different course topics: how to get your realtor's license, choose a brokerage, being a realtor, working from home, etc. So that's what you can do here. And Facebook now has a new area called Messenger Rooms. Let's see here. Oh, right here. Rooms, and this is where you can go ahead and do a one-on-one conversation with somebody. So that way you don't, it can actually be a phone call or a FaceTime conversation. So you can talk to somebody without having their phone number. Here is where you would put a watch party. So if you're like promoting something and you want to be able to kind of do a soft launch, this is where you get people excited about the watch party. And you go over here for announcements, maybe announcing that you are going to have a special Facebook Live like what I do. And you can always, whenever you want something to be stayed to the top, you go ahead and always say pin to top. And then that way it'll always be the first thing that everybody sees when they go to the discussion area. So those are the basics of a group. And that is what you want to do for your Facebook cover. And again, you also have your little explanation here, and you'll be able to ask people questions. So here underneath moderate group, this is where you ask people questions to see if they're a good fit for your group or not. So here's where you can hit create rules and membership questions. So on my membership questions, I have 3 questions. What would you like to learn about being a realtor? And what struggles are you currently having? And then here I ask them to provide their email. I say I provide loads of information. Please provide your email if you want to get that information. Here I've created some rules. Just says no spamming or promoting, real estate and self-employment only, no private messaging, no speech or bullying, be kind and courteous. So you can do all of those, and you can also see who all the member requests are from, and then you can go ahead and look to see if they've answered the questions and if they provided their email, and if they agree to the rules. And if they have, you just hit approve. And but make sure that whenever you approve somebody, make sure that you either have um, the Chrome extension called Convert Group, or you can do what I do, where I create an Excel spreadsheet, and this is how I capture all the emails. My Excel spreadsheet is right here, and I go ahead and I capture all the emails here. And so I just take their name, the date that they became a member of the group, and then I take their email, and I go ahead and keep all that. And then me or my assistant, we go ahead and we put that into our private or our email autoresponders called Active Campaign. So that's what you wanted to do. And let me just go ahead and go right here. And so I think that's everything that you need to know about a group. There's also videos here that you can categorize. And whenever, that's a good point that I want to bring up. Whenever you create a group, make sure that you already have content in the group and on the page. Make sure you have videos and our posts, at least 10 of them before you start inviting people, so it doesn't look like it's a brand new group. And so that way they actually have information to look and read about when they come and when they're approved into the group. Let's see, I think that's it. If you have any more questions, go ahead and post in the group and let me know. And I hope this was very informative. Thank you.